you get back?
To New York. About a week.
There's an opening at the apartment building where I'm working. Not quite as exciting as where you've been.
That sounds just fine.
We'll use the next 2 days to get you acclimated, get the weekend off. When you come back to work on Monday, think you can handle that?
I'll do my best, sir.
Shall we begin?
Hey, what's going on? Hey, who are you?
I promise our visit would be as brief as humanly possible.
Orange, are you there?
He informed me the building would be empty.
It's nothing to worry about. I'll handle it.
He's dead and you're next.
They're here. They have to be.
It's a bloody Rembrandt.
I'm gonna take you down with me. That's just who I am.
You should walk away now. And if you don't, I will take you to hell.
I'm gonna eat you up.
What's a decorated soldier doing here as a doorman?
I'm gonna take you down with me. If I set those goals, I got way more moves than I bought you. And I'll show you one, but I got 15. I'm gonna take you down with me. Everyone better run when they see. I'm gonna take you down. Run all you can. I'm gonna take you
Shall we
down
begin?
with me. That's just who I am. I don't know if I can set those goals. I got way more moves than I bargained for. And I'll show you one, but I got 50 more. I got 50 more. I'm gonna take you down with me. Everyone better run when they see. I'm gonna take you down with me. That's just who I